Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, Austin has 40 notebooks and gives 1/8 of them to a friend. So, what is the number of notebooks given by Austin to his friend? Here, number of notebooks that Austin has is given as 40 notebooks. Okay. Then number of notebooks given to his friend is here 1/8 of the total number of notebooks, means 1/8 of 40 he has given to his friend. So it is 40 by 8. 40 by 8 means he has given 5 notebooks to his friend. Hence, Austin gave 5 notebooks to his friend.